Hey guys, it's Dev and welcome back to another vlog. So today we're doing something fun again. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll have the link down here. You would have seen I did a poll to say should I make the TT even louder, and that's what we're gonna do. So that first clip was like a stock clip. I'll compare them again later in the video, but basically all of you know my car has a custom exhaust already and it's already pretty loud. So yesterday when I went to my friend Kirsten, you saw him in the previous vlog, his dad has a mechanic shop. I went there and we took off the exhaust, well, kind of took it off, like halfway took it off, like just disconnected it and moved it up to kind of get an idea of how loud it would be and what it would sound like, so that I know if I want to do it or not. And I decided I'm going to do it. So yeah, we're going to cut out the middle resonator and make the exhaust a little bit more modular, hopefully. So yeah, going to exhaust shop in Potch now, and we'll go see if they can do it. If they can, be great. And yeah, anyway, let's get to that. Okay guys, so we just finished taking out the resonator, so I'm going to start the car with the windows down so you guys can hear. It sounds the same, but it backfires now, which is kind of what I wanted. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to get some in-car driving shots and just so you can hear the differences, and then I'll do the stationary shot at home. Well, you'll see it as next to each other. But yeah, that's basically what's happening now, so let's do that. Okay, so we're out here in the middle of nowhere. I'm guessing there's going to be wind noise, so I'm just going to put the camera down on the floor, get some sound clips from the outside, because I don't know what it sounds like, you don't know what it sounds like, and we all want to know what it sounds like. So yeah, hopefully no one steals the camera. Okay, so yeah, that should conclude today's video. In Potch for the weekend. It's my brother's birthday. It's very bright outside. I'm sorry for the shitty lighting, but yeah, car sounds cool, very cool, like honestly. So Sorry, there's just a call coming. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And this has been Dev, and I'm out.